What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel where we learn, do, and talk about photography until we're sick of it. It should come as no surprise that we're going to shoot this barn scene today. Hopefully we'll get that accomplished before I get run off the property. What I really have in mind is that we'll capture this scene. We'll take it back into the photo editor, and I'll give you a walkthrough of the editing process of the photo. I've composed the photo so that this fence post here in the foreground is just penetrating the horizon line. That's why you can see that I have the camera positioned so low, and also favored to take the perspective sort of up pointing so that I can get some of this fantastic sky that we have this morning in the photo. And I actually have this in mind probably for something like a square crop. And I've taken 2 or 3 different exposures as the skies change to see what I like best. And what's great about photo editing, maybe I can use all of them. So I don't think I've ever mentioned this on the channel, but I co-host a local camera club. And one thing that I've been surprised to learn in bringing local photographers together, professionals and people who have an enthusiast level interest, is that probably the majority of them don't edit their photos. So probably once or twice a year I make a video that features the photo editing process, and I think maybe I should take that on a little more seriously, because to give you guys an introduction of what the benefits of that process are. So it was great to meet up with you on location today, but I'm going to grab this photo and we'll get it back into the editor and see what we can make out of it. I've got a feeling there is an outstanding photo lying behind this rock pile. What's up, guys? I just sat down to edit this photo, and I kind of had a crazy idea. I thought, maybe instead of doing the typical face in the corner narrating the photo editing process, now I'm moving the exposure slider, now I'm moving the contrast slider, etc., etc. Maybe I would just turn this into like a video montage where you can see the edit step by step with some transitions and some music and stuff. And in my mind, it sounds cool, but I don't know. You guys take a look at it. Tell me what you think about it down in the comments if you prefer this to a typical photo editing video. And if you really like it, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this. And until I see you guys next time, keep an eye out and a foot forward. And thanks for watching. Okay, enjoy.